Tired of overpaying for cell service? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle US Mobile versus Verizon. First, let's examine their plans. Verizon, a major carrier, offers a variety of premium unlimited plans, usually loaded with perks like streaming service bundles. US Mobile, on the other hand, operates as an MVNO, meaning they use Verizon NTM Mobile's networks. They specialize in affordable, customizable plans. You can choose exactly the amount of data you need, even a completely custom plan. If you don't need unlimited data, US Mobile can save you a ton of money. Coverage is crucial. Verizon boasts widespread and reliable coverage across the US, especially in rural areas. Since US Mobile uses Verizon's network and mobiles, you'll get essentially the same great coverage where Verizon is strong. If you're primarily in urban or suburban areas, you can rest assured US Mobile will be reliable. Now, for the features. Verizon's premium plans often include extras like substantial hotspot data, international roaming options, and robust security features. US Mobile keeps things simpler. They offer hotspot on most plans and competitive international options, but focus primarily on core service at the best price. The moment of truth: pricing. Verizon's premium plans come with a premium price tag. US Mobile shines here, offering significantly lower prices, especially if you opt for a limited data plan or customize your data needs. Consider your data usage and budget to see which carrier aligns with your wallet. In conclusion, Verizon is ideal for those who demand top-tier features, extensive coverage, and don't mind paying a premium. US Mobile is perfect for budget-conscious users who want flexibility, customization, and reliable coverage at a fraction of the cost. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. Check the description below for links to both carriers so you can explore their latest deals.